electric. Alright guys, I don't know if you heard that in the background. I'm going to be changing that. Way up here. Should work out pretty well. I got 2 hose bibs on each side of it. So I'm going to drain it out, attach my hose, both sides, drain it out. And it's pretty much bolt off, bolt on. Let's see how it goes. What I do is take the one side, slide off the other side. It'd be nice if this tank had a drain, but it doesn't have a drain. So the pump holds it all. Turn this. Oh. Well, what we got here is the electrical. It's getting caught up. Really gotta take this off. Shouldn't have to. I guess I'll just turn it and see if I can slip it by. I kind of don't want to take this off because it gives me an extra hand when I'm putting the other one on. So I'll see if I can squeeze it some way. Side should work better. Somehow, some way, she should go in. Oh. Oh. Just don't touch that switch. Woohoo! Now, this one here. It's amazing how these pumps work horizontal, but what's it called?
You won't work vertical?
No. These are made to work horizontal. But the
So vertical pumps can work horizontal, right?
no.
No?
Absolutely not. People do it, but it's not right. You gotta, you know, the ones we use for the hydronics, floor warming and stuff?
Yeah. Can't use those.
What's the name of them? Grundfos? I can't remember the name now. Put the gaskets in 1 sec.
How come there's 4?
No, 2 are the old ones.
Other ones in?
Yeah.
I don't know which ones are new.
I don't know if you've seen this, but what I do is, when you're by yourself, like I was in the beginning, keep the 2 bolts on this side.
Right,
And
because it just slides in.
Slide off, yeah. So you can slide it on, off and on. Okay, for those gaskets. It's nice to keep these, to make them a little moist before you put them on, so you're not putting the gaskets dry. Just like a oil filter, exactly. Yeah. They're in. They are in. So. So after we put this on, we're gonna bleed it. Make sure we don't get.
You just take all the air out?
Yeah, take the air out.
So all you do is just
Open the supply.
and then
Yeah, and put the holes on here. And let her rip.
Oh, you don't put the holes on here? You don't
Yeah.
Oh, you
Yeah.
keep it on there?
Yeah.
You just let all the air out.
Yeah. We gotta open the other side though, right?
Yeah.
This is keeping the water, the domestic side loop flowing. Okay.
Lily was showing us about the other room.
Yeah.
That looks,
But that's a huge job.
Yeah.
That is huge. He always says that. Yeah, right. Do you see the adjustables?
Yeah,
Oh yeah. My sleeves are all wet. Ah. We're gonna mount them. We decided that we're gonna mount them on the what's it called? You know where the old one is now?
Yep.
Okay.
The red one, right? That's the boiler?
Yeah. Well, that's one of the biggest ones. But then what's it called?
We're taking that out.
Even we're taking out the other boiler that does the water for the pool.
Okay. Does it need the ring?
Yeah.
Here. I took it off.
Yeah. And these ones are on the ones that we do, you don't need the ring. They're threaded.
So it's a high efficiency furnace, right?
No, hey, look very carefully. I want you to see if you notice something about that furnace. If you notice this, you're a champ. Because I don't expect you to, not because anything. It's just something that someone that's learning won't really tell, because their brain is just focused so much, and you're gonna overthink it.
Okay,
Anyways,
let me give you two.
Okay, go for it.
Well,
go for it.
one thing is different is that there's a breaker on the furnace.
Nice.
That's one thing I noticed.
Nice.
Number 2
Uh-huh.
is that.
Give me the wire strippers, bud. Yeah, you can look the whole time we're here. You can look the whole time we're here. What?
Okay, well, there's 2 of these.
There's 2 what?
2 of these pipes.
Which pipes?
Copper pipes.
Okay.
So,
And?
is gas or is a refrigeration pipe?
Okay, I'll give you this much. The refrigeration. Because there's a
This is
coil inside,
furnace.
right?
So this is a furnace and an air conditioner.
I don't know. Is it?
It is.
You sure?
Well,
I could be just trying to make you change your answer. Just double check.
I would want to look inside.
You want to look inside?
Like,
You can't do that.
okay. Give me a couple more seconds.
Yeah. You were, I gotta admit, you were very close. You're getting it. You're understanding. And when you look back, you're like, holy fuck, I was right on it. Because there's a few things you said, like, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
This is an air conditioner.
It is an air conditioner. Yeah. I told you, I'll give you that. It is. There's a coil inside. And a furnace. Okay, why do you say it's a furnace? That's a good point.
Well, for starters,
Yeah. That's actually a good question I have for you.
it
Why?
says heat pump slash air conditioner.
Okay, so retract. It says heat pump.
So it's not a furnace.
It's a furnace,
Oh, wait.
but how's it heating the air?
Okay. Oh, hang on.
Yeah. Okay, I'll tell you what.
Wait, don't tell me.
No, I won't tell you, but I'll tell you half, okay? It does have a heat pump. I didn't know, I didn't really look at it, so it does have a heat pump. So it is eating the air with the heat pump, but it also has a, you could say a safety heat or a auxiliary heat. And so how is that getting heat up?
From the thermostat.
Okay, from the thermostat, but what's, oh, that's, okay, but what's, you're right, the thermostat is saying, but what makes the heat? No, but what makes the heat? What's the source of heat?
Electricity.
Say it like that?
Electricity.
And why you say that?
Because, first of all, it has a breaker.
That's right, buddy. Good call. So that's an electric furnace. Has
I said that earlier because there's no gas.
that's what I was hoping you got. There's no gas going in. Can you give me
I
two
don't know,
more?
I was thinking that this was gas for some reason.
No, but you got it after you. Let her rip.
Ready?
Yeah. What? She's a quiet. All right, all done. Nice and quiet.